Good morning. You are here because you want to download Git on your system. So the first thing you will do is you come to your search engine, mine is Chrome, and then in the search bar you type download Git. When it loads, click this first link and it will take you to Git website. When you're in Git website, you are going to notice this whole interface, and then you are going to see different you are going to see that Git is available for different operating systems: Windows, Linux, Mac OS. For me, I use Windows, so you go ahead and click it and then it's going to download it on your system. After you finish downloading it, you should come to your file explorer and then search for it in your downloads folder, and then you should, when you do that, you are going to notice an executable file. After this, you are going to want to click it so that you can install it on your system so that it can run and manage your GitHub for you. Now click the card that shows up at the end of this video to see how to install Git on your system.